10 o'clock. This happy idea I got going on bubbles over Cleveland. I got to do some cartoonish, fun-sounding sound effects. And my first one that I'm going to work on is probably like the most ordinary of them all. I'm going to be doing wah-wah through a delay, and I'm just going to be seeing what kind of sounds I can, whip up. And but another idea that I also like, that'll probably be another episode, is like an envelope filter going through a ping-pong delay. So that'll have kind of a bubbly effect also too, because I'm going for sound effects like that. So right now it'll be kind of like a trumpet or a trombone with a rubber mute on it, wow, 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 like that. And I'm going for boinginess, I'm going for sci-fi, B-movie, low-budget sound effects, so that this sounds like a really fun music track. So here's the first try, but there are going to be others, and I think all of these are going to be lots of fun.